Elizabeth, Kristi, Emily, we're all here at Blizzard Beach. And just like in my Typhoon Lagoon video, I will not be using this camera because I'm not getting this wet. No. So I'm switching over to GoPro mode. Alrighty, GoPro time. Woo! And Kristi is ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to go into the water and not drown?
Yeah.
And be safe? Slushing Gusher and Summit Plummet is closed. It is closed because we're under refurb, although the raft ride up there is open, so we're going to go up there and take the ski lift up there. Here it comes. Woohoo! It's awesome. Hi, Kristi. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Ah, that's cold! Oh, that's cold! First ride of the day! Ah! Good warm up. Yay! Next ride. I have no clue. Oh, Run Off Rapids. That's where we're going next. Woo! Here we go. Oh God. Oh goodness. Ah! That tunnel is so awesome.
Okay, we were still at the top. We could hear Olivia screaming until she got to the bottom. Oh my God.
They're like sudden drops in the dark. We're gonna go on that one. The racing one. We have an even amount of people, which means we can do 2 and 2 and race, and I'm gonna win. One thing about all these water parks is there's a ton of... Whoa. Talking to me. There's a ton of stairs. Be prepared to get a workout. Woo. Downhill double dipper. I'm going against Kristi.
I'm going against Olivia.
And they're going down.
Oh yeah, we're gonna win.
There's a wedge? What? Oh my gosh! No, no, no! Ah! Ah! Super fun!
That was extremely fast, but very, very fun. I would like to just take a moment to thank all my fans out there. I did win. Thank
no, you didn't.
Yes,
no, you
yes,
didn't.
yes, I did.
I would not like to thank my family and my dogs and everyone who helped me get to this point because I didn't win.
I won.
Snowstormers! We're gonna go on mats!
It's the mat.
It's the mat, it's the mat, it's the mat,
It's the mat. Dora and Boots are going down the purple slope. How do we get there?
Ah! 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 Woohoo! One thing about Blizzard as opposed to Typhoon Lagoon is it has sprinkly doodahs. At Typhoon Lagoon, wear these. They will save your feet's life. My feet like burned on the bottom from being at Typhoon Lagoon. Blizzard Beach, I wouldn't say you can go without your flip-flops because they have those sprinkly doodahs to help your feet stay cool. Sprinkly doodah! Toboggan racers! Oh gosh! Oh! Oh! He's scary! Are you ready?
I'm ready, Patrick.
Oh, here we go.
On your get set, go.
Ah! Oh no! Emily, you were completely lost! Alrighty, so our winner is... Oh, okay, a little much.
I'd like to thank my mother for birthday me, my VIPs, my mom and dad. If you don't get that reference, watch How to Get Away with Murder.
And dead last.
Okay, to be fair, I literally could not move. I was stuck on the ground, so they had to push me.
I didn't know they pushed you.
Yes, I literally could not move.
That was our last slide. However,
Not the last attraction.
your favorite, as in Typhoon Lagoon too. So we are now leaving Blizzard Beach. Goodbye, Blizzard Beach. You more super fun. And we're gonna go to a resort. I don't know which resort, but we need some lunch. So we're thinking, I don't know. Well, we're just gonna resort lunch. How about that? And then later on today, where are we going, Emily?
Have hot food and wine.